Have you ever wondered how complete beginners are making thousands of dollars on Pinterest using affiliate marketing? Well, let me break it down for you. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how you can set up your own Pinterest account and start earning money through affiliate marketing, even if you have zero experience or special skills. So first thing first, Pinterest is a social network where people share posts and ideas similar to Instagram or Facebook. So your journey starts by signing up for a free account on Pinterest.com. Once you're signed up, head over to trends.pinterest.com to explore the trending categories on the platform. Now choosing the right niche is a crucial. You can either go with your hobby or interest, or you can follow the trending categories to make money faster. For example, if sunburns DIY is trending, you might want to explore that niche. Next is all about researching what's already working on Pinterest. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Simply find successful posts and replicate them, but with your own twist. According to SimilarWeb, Pinterest received 1.3 billion traffic in the last month, and about 34% traffic is from US. So by effective utilization of Pinterest, you can make lots of money. So look for posts that are getting a lot of engagement and have the potential to go viral. Once you have gathered some inspiration, it's time to optimize your Pinterest profile. Choose a profile picture and a cover image that reflect your niche or interest. Make sure your profile picture and bio clearly indicate what your account is all about. This helps Pinterest understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Now on to the fun part, creating content. You can easily find videos on platforms like TikTok that are relevant to your niche. Download these videos with proper credit to the creator, of course, and upload them to your Pinterest account. Add relevant keywords and description to make your content discoverable. But how do you make money from these posts? That's where affiliate marketing comes in. Using a platform like kit.com, you can create curated collection of products related to your niche. Add affiliate link to these products in your Pinterest post, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. And that's it. By consistently posting engaging content and promoting relevant product, you can start earning money on Pinterest through affiliate marketing. It's a simple yet effective way for beginners to dip their toes into the world of online earning. So what are you waiting for? Start pinning and earning today, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.